Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I study English.
I studied English.
I will study English.
She works.
She worked.
She will work.
They eat lunch.
They ate lunch.
They will eat lunch.
We play games.
We played games.
We will play games.
He reads a book.
He read a book.
He will read a book.
We go to school.
We went to school.
We will go to school.
She swims in the pool.
She swam in the pool.
She will swim in the pool.
I write a letter.
I wrote a letter.
I will write a letter.
They visit friends.
They visited friends.
They will visit friends.
We buy groceries.
We bought groceries.
We will buy groceries.
He drinks coffee.
He drank coffee.
He will drink coffee.
She dances at parties.
She danced at parties.
She will dance at parties.
I have a pet.
I had a pet.
I will have a pet.
We clean the house.
We cleaned the house.
We will clean the house.
He wears glasses.
He wore glasses.
He will wear glasses.
They ride bicycles.
They rode bicycles.
They will ride bicycles.
She exercises every day.
She exercised every day.
She will exercise every day.
I visit my family.
I visited my family.
I will visit my family.
They drive to work.
They drove to work.
They will drive to work.
He cooks dinner.
He cooked dinner.
He will cook dinner.
She plays the piano.
She played the piano.
She will play the piano.
I take a photo.
I took a photo.
I will take a photo.
They start a new project.
They started a new project.
They will start a new project.
We give a gift.
We gave a gift.
We will give a gift.
He knows the answer.
He knew the answer.
He will know the answer.
I begin a journey.
I began a journey.
I will begin a journey.
She calls a friend.
She called a friend.
She will call a friend.
They give advice.
They gave advice.
They will give advice.
We forget a name.
We forget a name.
We will forget a name.
I study mathematics.
I studied mathematics.
I will study mathematics.
They work hard.
They worked hard.
They will work hard.
He helps his friends.
He helped his friends.
He will help his friends.
She speak French.
She spoke French.
She will speak French.
I watch movies.
I watched movies.
I will watch movies.
He runs in the morning.
He ran in the morning.
He will run in the morning.
She takes a bus to work.
She took a bus to work.
She will take a bus to work.
They buy new clothes.
They bought new clothes.
They will buy new clothes.
He opens the door.
He opened the door.
He will open the door.
She sleeps early.
She slept early.
She will sleep early.
We celebrate birthdays.
We celebrated birthdays.
We will celebrate birthdays.
He asks a question.
He asked a question.
He will ask a question.
I wait for the bus.
I waited for the bus.
I will wait for the bus.
She wants a cookie.
She wanted a cookie.
She will want a cookie.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.